look at this. Now open this. Now open this.
Okay.
Let's open it.
Okay.
Here, what is this? A princess magazine?
It's what?
A princess magazine?
A princess magazine? I don't think so.
Mommy.
Princess magazines are smaller than this.
I want one.
You want one what?
I want a princess magazine.
Yeah, maybe they'll come. Maybe another one will come soon. Let's try to get this open.
It's not coming out. Let's open it. S. It is an S.
It is an S? That does look like an S.
This is address.
Do you think that's all that's in here is a bunch of little S's? Or maybe there's something else. Here, let's open it. Let's open it some more. Let's keep opening it. Maybe there's something underneath there. Oh, this will be fun to clean up.
Wait, I can clean up. I can clean up.
You can clean up?
The both going in wallets.
Here, let's see what else is in here. Oh my, what is that?
Let's open it.
Okay.
Mom, what's the step on these?
Wait, let's open this big one first. Oops.
But it's windy out here.
It's windy?
Uh-huh. It's very windy. It's very windy.
Okay, here. Look, what is that?
Oh, a kitty cat plate.
It is a kitty cat plate?
Uh-huh. Look.
What?
And get one from Macia.
Oh, there's one for Macy.
Uh-huh,
You're
look.
going to share these with Macy? That is so nice.
Mom, we don't like break these.
No, we don't want to. They're very fragile, aren't they?
And big like it.
And what?
And big like it.
Okay.
And get one for you.
For me?
Uh-huh, look.
Oh, wow. That is really cool, isn't it, Scarlett?
And here's one for Yandy.
Oh, we each get one? All us girls?
Uh-huh. That's all.
That's all of them? Oh, wow. Scarlett, isn't this funny? Because what did you wish for?
A fine face.
A smiley face?
Uh-huh.
What else did you just tell me you wished for today?
I don't know. A kitty cat plate.
That's right. And what did you get? You got kitty cat plates.
I can't open it.
Is there something else in there?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
Let's open it.
Okay.
What is this? This is so funny. That's cute.
It's cute.
Uh-huh.
I think so too.
What is it?
Do you know what these are?
Uh-huh.
You do? What?
Kitty cats.
They're kitty cats. You know what? They're little knives that we can spread peanut butter on, or butter, or syrup, or whatever we want.
Let's open it.
Okay.
Let's open it.
Okay. You like the letter S too? Okay.
Oh, this is so cute. Here.
They're what? What did you say? They're so cute. Oh, don't hold it by that end. Hold it by the kitty cat, because you don't want to cut yourself. Hold it on the kitty cat. Yeah, there.
So I can cut it?
Yeah, you can cut stuff, or you can spread things. Like maybe we should have peanut butter tonight for dinner, and you can spread it on your own bread,
Yeah.
or graham crackers.
Oh no.
That's okay. I'll clean them up.
What's happening? And here's one for Macia. Here's one for Macia. So she can flip it.
So she can spread it. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Hold the kitty cats. Do you know who sent you this?
And here's...
Who do you think sent you this, Scarlett?
I don't know. I don't want to step on these.
No, we don't want to step on these.
There's a big delicate. Big delicate.
Delicate?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, yes they are. How did you know that word?
It's a pretty right there, too. I don't want to blank these.
No, we don't.
I don't know. Ma, take this off. That's a big delicate.
They are kind of delicate, yes.
They're tiny delicate. They're delicate. There's a words right here.
What?
There's a words.
Auntie Gayle sent these to you.
Uh-huh.
What do we say to Auntie Gayle?
Thank you.
Do you love them?
Uh-huh.
I'm excited we can eat on our kitty cat plates tonight, can't we?
It's from the green.
All right, you're dancing around, which means you have to go potty.